Hey everyone, Technomentary here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the new torch flashlight animation feature on iOS 18. So let's get started. Now, if you haven't updated your phone to iOS 18, go ahead and update it. And once you get updated, just pull down the control menu here. You should see a flashlight. Now, if you click on it, you'll see it's a new animation that pops up for flashlight. You can click on it and then adjust it accordingly. Now, in order to adjust the lighting, all you do is swipe your finger up like this, or if you want to make it wider or change the angle, you can do that as well. So as you can see here, you can just toggle around instead of the previous animation. This animation is pretty cool. Just play around with it, move your finger, and you'll see here the brightness will adjust accordingly as you move around. But that's how you can get the new animation for that torch feature. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.